Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is a collaboration video with Pandahall, and let's have a look at the items I have selected this time. And I was actually going with the lemony theme. I do have a Eco Park lemonade paper collection that will arrive probably next month sometime, and I am going to be creating in the lemon theme. So I thought I needed some extra lemony goodness. So let me show you what I found. I also was very inspired by several crafters I've seen doing this project. And this was shared by Tony at Craft Purge. And she did some dangly stuff with the spools, and I've always wanted to do them. And then I saw many other people doing similar things with their group swap items. So I am gonna give it a go. So this pack came with 2 different size spools. So I have a big one, and I think I want to make some embellishments to attach with this. And then this one is what I'm going to use to, the one that I was inspired by Tony. I want to try something with this size here. So this is going to be really, really fun for me to explore, and I will share with you guys what I get to make. Then you guys, oh my gosh, I was so happy to see all these lemony goodness. But let me first show you this one here. This is a sequin patch, and it is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I think you get 10 piece in this zip bag here. And you guys, look at the details. Can you see this? That sparkly magic. So it's got like a crystal bead sewn on there. This is a really beautiful quality embroidered patch, and it's also got this rhinestone detail at the bottom of the lemon, and it's got all of these tiny seed beads and sequins as well. And look at this compared to my hand. It's a really good size. So this is going to be a wonderful piece to add to your tote bags and jelly tote bags or whatever bags you want to make. And it's going to be really wonderful background piece if I'm making a mini album as well. Oh my gosh. And I will, of course, share some of this with my friends. And this is so pretty, you guys. You get 10 of them. Then I don't have a lot of flat back embellishments, so I've got this one here. And this one you get 20 in a bag. Look at those. Oh, these are just so pretty and really great size. How pretty are they? And they seem chunky, but they're not too chunky in height. I love those. Then I found really wonderful quality lemon charm. But this one, you guys, look at this. To make this. Can you imagine making something like this? This is already made for me. And I can actually put a jump ring right there where that hole is at the top and dangle it. How pretty is this, you guys? I could never make something like this, but you guys can purchase something like this. How pretty would this be for fruit group swap as well? And then I also found this one here. I need some scissors. This one says there's 20 in here. And I believe this is a beautiful bead. And look at this. So this is like a clay bead with all these decorative pieces already glued on there for you. And it's even got like rhinestone shimmery effect as well. So pretty. And look at these in my hand. How pretty are these? I love chunky beads like this. And it's a really wonderful accenting bead. So pretty. Look at all this lemony color on my desk. And then I wanted to find some lemon beads. And look, you guys, I found these. How pretty are these? Let me just cut one open to show you. These are really light, but they have that AB coating, and you can see the lemony details already on there as well. So pretty. It's got a good size hole also. Can you see? So pretty. So I've got 3 packs of those because one wasn't enough, of course. And then you guys know how much I love making shakers, and I needed more acetate. And look what I found. Pandahall has this acetate pack, and it's got 40 sheet inside. And I'm gonna get some out to show you. I usually recycle my acetates and stuff, but I've been using so much that I needed more, and I wanted to have some as a backup so I never run out of them. So they are like this. So it's almost like a 8x8 size sheet, and they have a little film attached. So you just have to peel this off. Look at that. I am going to so enjoy using this, and I have a feeling this is going to be really easy to die cut as well. So you get 40 in this pack, and it's such a good thickness too. It's not too flimsy, it's not too thick, but it's a really good quality. So I've got 40 in there. Then you guys, I found something really pretty I thought I could use, and this, it's actually a book cover, and it has sparkle goodness. Can you see? Let me just get one off. It's a really nice size book cover, but you guys, look at this. So much on here, and guess what I got it for? Not a book cover, of course. If I'm making like a shaker pocket and things, I thought this would be really wonderful vinyl to use. It's got shimmery effect. I love that so much. And I can even use this as my folio too if I wanted to. But it is a really good size, almost like a A4 size. So I have enough material for me to use for die cutting, to use for the, instead of acetate, I can even use this sparkle goodness on top if I wanted to. But I really got it to use as a pocket. So I'm going to have fun creating with this as well. So many wonderful things I got to find, and so many wonderful lemony goodness that you guys are gonna see real soon. Thank you so much for being here, everybody, and make sure you guys use my discount code that I have in my description area when you're shopping at Pandahall. Thank you so much for being here. Bye for now.